Welcome back. Most of what you will do outside of programming an entire page will be centering content. And you'll see the need for this come up often. And you'll be able to do this with a very simple command in HTML, which is the center command. You'll see that there are both an opening and closing tag for center. It's very simple, center with brackets and then backslash with center and then brackets. And you can do any content that you want in order to have it centered. You will come across periods where you will have alignment tags, such as this one that says align left. However, we can still go within this section and we can align something by centering it. So for example, we can take this content and we can decide that what we want to do is center it. So we can highlight the content, we can find it within our HTML, and then we can place our center command so that this content will be centered. And you'll see that here as we place our center command on this line. And we can do that with any text that we want to have centered. We can do the same thing with images. Now you'll notice that this image is already centered, and we'll have that command by using the center command. And we're going to place those tags on top of the image. You'll see that the image source, you'll see the URL, you'll see the attribute, and then you'll see that there are center tags there. Now what would happen if we removed these center tags? You'd see that the image would then slide to the left. So what we can always do when we want to move an image back to the center is we can place center tags around it. And you can see that image will come back to the center once we place the center tags there. Now in most cases that is what you'll be doing with alignment. Obviously you can align things to the left or to the right. However, if you're not programming the page, it's unlikely that you'll end up doing that most of the time. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.